Good afternoon. My name is Dave Puckett. I'm founder and chief AI officer of AvoidCourt.com, a revolutionary way to resolve disputes. Today I'm here to speak to you or even dispel some of the commonly held beliefs in a divorce that you have to hire an attorney. There was a period of time that would have been true in most jurisdictions, but today in most jurisdictions there's abundance of online resources, PDFs, videos, detailed instructions. I met a lady once, an attorney in Tampa. She's written a couple of books. The spirit was in what was called collaborative divorce. Collaborative divorce is where it wouldn't be unusual for two people in a divorce to leverage one attorney. It works successfully. Really, it's only the people who want to lawyer up and make it like a war of roses that makes getting a divorce so difficult. In this author's analogy was, we fall in love. It's so beautiful. We're in such a rush to get to that courthouse and buy our license or county offices, usually adjacent somewhere to a courthouse. If we're religious, we go off and get married through the traditions of the church. Maybe some of us in Florida run to the beach to get married. But if you in a hurry and you want it immediately, in most jurisdictions, they can provide you a notary or a justice of the peace or a public official to marry you right on the courthouse steps. However, and unfortunately, when we go to get divorced, it requires us to file a lawsuit. Why? Why is the institution of marriage so entrenched in the public record systems? It's pretty simple. Two people, through the marriage license, agree to become one legal entity. As a result of that, it's probably more common than not that children are born. There's a need for public record. And of course, in a divorce, or even as divorce is imminent, possibly law enforcement, if there's violence and verbalizations in the house, we have to protect the children and deal with what's called a parenting plan. In a subsequent video, I'll talk about how we specialize and offer a unique service only for that function. But now, let's stay focused on why is the court needed for divorce. Again, you likely buy real property, whether it be a house, automobiles, boats, planes, acquire rental properties, or other business entities through corporations that are jointly owned. These also are public record vehicles, so when the divorce is granted, there's notations of that divorce separation, and then often a clarification and assignment of the assets or liabilities and instruments that are recorded. That's really it. But it still doesn't make us have to go to court, have to lawyer up, and have to make it such an adverse process. When I launched this technology, people that have been in it before me, people who look at the market different than we do, said this technology works for any type of dispute except for divorce. Why? Yes, divorce is usually highly emotional, but it doesn't have to be. AvoidCourt.com and an alternative brand we call Our Family Resolve. The website's going to be relaunched here in the very near future. Right now it's called OurFamilySettle.com if you'd like to see the predecessor of where we're going. But this video is to say there are alternatives. There is a less confrontational, if not collaborative approach, less expensive. Try us. If you're not satisfied, lawyer up, litigate, make it more difficult. Try our platform. It's a hybrid blend of human elements, AI-driven technology, EQ, emotional assessment, determination. About 90% of a conflict is emotional. That's what's unique about our patent pending technology. So we invite you to try us. We have a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, go elsewhere or go retain a lawyer. But we feel confident the majority of divorces can be resolved using our platform and our people. Thanks for your consideration. Look forward to serving you.